Hello darlings, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how I make my Nigerian moi moi, also known as bean cake. Also guys, I will show you how to make it in two ways, with the use of the oven and with the stove. But before we start, let me show you how I wash my beans. Very easy. So after soaking the bean for about 35 minutes, I will take my blender or a food processor. If you have, I prefer to use a food processor to blend it a bit. The purpose is not to blend it smoothly, just like 2-3 times to take off the skin.
You know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, something me pay. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini.
So these are the ingredients I'll be using to prepare my moi moi. My red bell pepper, have my onion, stock cube, crayfish, and my extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. It could be vegetable oil. I will be using 2 eggs also. So now that our bean is clean, let's blend it. I put water to the level of the bean. You can blend the bean and the pepper and onion all together, but I decided to blend the bean first because I'm using a food processor which is way smaller than a normal blender. And yes, I like to use this because it's easier for me to clean. So now I'm blending the pepper and the onion together.
She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we standing. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, let go. Ha. Oh, na. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, na.
So this is the second method. Get a bowl or whatever you want to put your paste in, grease it, and pour in the moi moi paste. Then add your egg, optional. Place a pot on the stove with water in it. Put foil paper on the bottom. This was how my mom taught me. Place your bowl with the paste in it. Cover it. Then allow this to cook for 1 hour and 1 hour 30 minutes thereabout also. Yeah guys, moi moi is ready and it's looking so good. Also it tastes so good. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thanks for staying with me, and please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.